Welcome. If you want to make sure you never miss a message on Pinterest, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to allow email notifications for messages on Pinterest using your PC, following the latest update. It's quick, easy, and will help you stay connected with your friends and followers. Let's get started. First, open up your favorite web browser and head over to Pinterest. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, look over to the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several options. Click on Settings. This will take you straight to your account settings page. Now that you're in the settings, look for the section labeled Notifications. Click on it to open up all the notification options available to you. Pinterest gives you a lot of control over what you want to be notified about, so you can customize your experience just the way you like. Next, scroll down until you find the Social section. Under this section, you'll see an option labeled Messages. This is where you can manage how you get notified about new messages. To make sure you receive email notifications whenever someone sends you a message, simply enable the email option. Just click the switch or checkbox next to email to turn it on. Before you leave, don't forget to save your changes. Look for the Save button, usually at the bottom of the page, and give it a click. That's it. You've now set up Pinterest to send you email notifications whenever you get a new message. With these steps, you'll always be in the loop and ready to respond to messages as soon as they arrive. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe for more easy tech tips and Pinterest updates. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning.